Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to RWD Status. Chilling here with your boy Status, and we're back here at a secret drift spot. So this is actually not even a spot yet. This is more of a prospect. As you guys know, you got to keep your drift spots like nice and secret these days because people come and just blow them up. There's no respect for your drift spots. So this is a new prospect. Not gonna let anybody know where this one is. This is gonna be a team secret only. But we're out here with the Recio SC Factory. Yeah, the team is almost back on the street. You know what I mean? Street envy. Team Skeet. Get with it. Got the SC400 manual. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, just go check out SC Factory on YouTube, Instagram, all that goodness. Homie chilling. He's just anxious. He wants to hit up all this glorious goodness. Look at this, guys. She is a virgin parking lot. Virgin parking lot. And he's the one who gets to pop that cherry, guys. That man right there. Me? He's gonna go skeet it up. Also, I want to let everybody know, because I have a lot of issues here in the Central Florida area about whose spot is what and who found what spot first and blah 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 blah. As you see, this is a virgin spot behind me. No, this is definitely a status spot, guys. I don't want to hear any of that blah blah blah. My spot, no tire marks, fresh, not even an open complex yet. I claimed this spot like I claimed all the other ones that you guys came in a little, try to sneaky way in and fucking busted it. But this one's cool because I'm not sharing with you guys. Yeah. But other than that, we're about to hit up some little slides. He's gonna test out his new suspension setup, a few different things that he has on his new suspension setup. Anyway, as far as the RB30, the Dirty 30, that will be back up on the channel tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. Plenty of updates, just to spin a lot of things going on. As you guys know, it's not a cheap build, not an easy build, and a very time extensive build. So regardless, I'm going to get it done. It's almost done. Thank you for everybody who's been showing me love and supporting me as far as the RB30 and everything goes. So we're going to actually get a Recio out there to warm up his tires and have some fun. So let's check this thing out. You ready to shred, bro?
Always ready.
All right, keep it light and don't forget to cool down.
All right.
Yo. What?
I wasn't going super ham.
No, it's not that. It's just that we're at the undisclosed spot, so we got to break it in pretty decent, and we're not that far away from everything, you know. So that's the only thing I'm worried about.
I did 2 figure 8s. That's a total of 15.
Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with us tonight, and thanks for coming to my new secret drift spot, or our new secret drift spot, you know what I mean? I did say it's a team spot. I don't keep any of them for me, myself personally. I definitely do share my spots, just not with everybody. Anyway, thanks for hanging out today, and we will see you next time on RWD Status. Don't forget to check out your boy SC Factory with the SC400. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace out. It's our spot now, baby. The Warriors come out and